Today's recipe is an Aussie classic, one that is a tribute to our Anzac diggers and a tasty bakery treat that the whole family loves. And what am I talking about? Anzac Biscuits. So let's get cooking. The first thing we need to do is grease 2 large oven trays and line with baking paper. Next, we need to preheat the oven to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Now, the next thing we need to do is grab a frying pan and get 125 grams of butter and put it in it and melt it. Add 2 teaspoons of golden syrup over a medium to low heat until smooth. Once that's done, you grab a large mixing bowl and tip that into the mixing bowl and stir in a half a teaspoon of combined soda and 2 teaspoons of boiling water. Next, you grab 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut, and mix until fully combined. Roll level teaspoons of the mixture into balls around about 5 centimetres, 2 inches, and place on lined trays, then flatten slightly. Bake for 12 minutes until golden brown, and then cool the biscuits on the trays. And that's how simple it is to make Anzac biscuits. So if you've made it this far, firstly, thank you very much. And remember to like, subscribe and share. And also look at the recipe that I've got featured in the corner of this video. Until next time, this is Philip's Cooking Recipes, and bye for now.